So let me see your gun. Okay, you're up. Just stay here, aim at the red guy. When I say threat, you're gonna engage. Threat, okay. So here's your round back. All right.
So you don't want to keep it from the other ones that don't put it?
No, that's okay. All right, let me see yours. I'm gonna do the same thing, just so we can work on. Newton's law, what can go wrong will go wrong. So you're gonna just hold right on red. Well, no, you're gonna just stare right at red. So go ahead, present. When I say threat, you're gonna try to shoot. It's not gonna work. So tap, rack, assess, engage. So threat, tap. So what did he not do? Assess. So did you tap it all the way though? Or you just went straight for it? So I'll show you why you can't do that. Okay, just hold it like that and just go ahead and rack it, try to shoot.
Try to shoot first?
Yep, rack it. And it's not gonna shoot because the mag isn't in it. So we always wanna tap, not like slam that thing home. So you're just staring at red. Prep your trigger so you're all set. And when I say threat, you're gonna try to shoot. It's gonna fail. Tap, rack, engage. So threat. So tap the magazine, rack your slide, engage. Just stay right there. Okay, you're nice and tight. So you're aiming at it. Threat. Tap, rack, engage. And if you want to shoot that round just so it doesn't fit with